This literally came out a minute ago, July 13th, 2019. You know what? No matter how much they keep saying they're not concerned about the levees, I know they are because these reports keep coming out about the levees. They are scared. So this came out in AccuWeather and live. Barry prompts new mandatory evacuation orders as floodwaters overtop multiple levees in Louisiana. So remember, oh, it was only going to go up to 17.1 inches. Then it was going to go up to 20. They really don't know. You know, they don't know what this weather is going to do until it happens, ladies and gentlemen. They have no crystal ball that can tell them anything, despite the fact that they're trying to come off like they have some way of projecting this. They don't. Following a brief stint as a Category 1 hurricane, Barry weakened once again to a tropical storm on Saturday after it made landfall, right? And then they're showing all the flooding that's happening in, more inland. And now the levees have overtopped. Now, they're not telling you by how many feet, but it overtopped. And now they want to enforce more evacuations when I think they should have done that ahead of the storm. It's just frustrating looking at this kind of stuff. AccuWeather extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer captured footage of overtopping a levee in St. Mary Parish. Mandatory evacuations were being put into effect for areas south of Highway 317, with sheriff deputies going door to door to notify residents. Again, this should have been done yesterday. Around 10 a.m. Central Time, Barry became the first hurricane of 2019 Atlantic hurricane season and the fourth hurricane to ever make landfall on the Louisiana coast in the month of July. Yeah, because it is pretty early in the season. The storm's initial landfall occurred when the center of circulation moved across Marsh Island, followed by the final landfall near Intracoastal City, located 160 miles west of New Orleans. Since record keeping began in 1851, according to Colorado State University meteorologists. Okay, so Hurricane Bob in 1979, Danny in 1997, and Cindy in 2005 have made landfall on the Louisiana coast in July. Despite weakening, Barry will continue to slowly spread and a widespread swath of flooding and torrential rains from Louisiana to western Mississippi to eastern Arkansas, according to AccuWeather senior meteorologists. Okay, so again, they're giving all of these different projections. So what they're saying is so far the levees have not failed, but as a precaution, they are making these residents leave. So by Saturday afternoon, nearly 130,000 customers across Louisiana had lost power, according to poweroutages.us. And there's going to definitely be more. People should not focus on Barry's wind speed, but instead, they want you to be more concerned about the rain because it is still going to pack a lot of rain. It doesn't matter if it's declared a tropical storm or a hurricane. The rain does not change. So they're expecting 3 to 6 feet of storm surge on top of nearly 25 inches of rain. They're still projecting. So just east of where Barry made landfall, a tide gauge of Amarada Pass measured a storm surge of nearly 7 feet on Saturday afternoon, with tide levels reaching 8.23 feet, which exceeded levels measured during Hurricane Ike at 7.81 feet from September 12th, 2008. I remember that hurricane. Storm surge began to inundate the coast of Louisiana on Friday morning as Barry gained strength in the Gulf of Mexico. Timmer reported from just outside of Chauvin, Louisiana, about an hour south of New Orleans. So, ladies and gentlemen, all they're really telling you at this point that there are more evacuations. And to be honest with you, they don't know what's going to happen. Wow, what's wrong with your head, man? Oh, okay. So, a large wave from hashtag tropical storm Barry shattered the windshield of an OCSO Marine Unit boat today outside hashtag Destin hashtag East Pass, while Deputy Robert Wagner was trying to help a boater in distress. He was treated for facial cuts, but everyone luckily okay. Ooh, that looks bad. You can see right here where it got shattered. Wow. So they're just giving updates and trying to get more people evacuated out of there. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. They still haven't even gotten the worst of this storm yet. But it just go to show you, no matter how much they have done to try to prevent as much flooding as it happened during the Katrina, they're still worried about these levees, big time. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.